Hey guys, Jared the therapist here. So I got this product to review, and this is actually a compact walker. So this is a product that we use a lot in practice as therapists, and I was interested in checking this out. So inside the box, we've got the user manual here, which shows exactly how to use this and how to set it up. Then we have the actual walker itself. So many times we'll get walkers where they're really heavy and they're difficult to get into the car. I can say that just picking this up out of the box, this is really light, so that way it will be a little bit easier to get it in and out of a vehicle if you needed to. Inside of this bag, we'll have the walker itself, and I like this a lot already. Not only is it light, but you can easily fold this up and move it pretty quick. A lot of times you'll have to click buttons and whatnot to get things to lock and unlock, but this is very simple. You literally just pull on this one strap and it will collapse super easy. So that's great. Now inside the box, in the bag also, you have some replacement skis as well. So these will just go right onto the bottom of the walker on the back side here. So you can see how there's already some skis on there. To replace these here, you'll just unscrew one of them. This little screw right here, you just unscrew it. Then pop this new one right in, and as you can see, they're exactly the same size. But you know, over time, things wear down, and it's great that they actually take the consideration to give you an extra set before you have to go looking for it, because usually it happens when you're least expecting it. Also, first impressions with this too, I like the fact that it comes with a bag, because a lot of times when you're walking with a walker, your hands are occupied by holding onto this, so you can't carry your stuff around. So this bag that's right here in the front, it has ample storage so that you can put whatever you need right in here. Your cell phone, any papers, your keys, anything like that you can put right here in these front pockets. I mean, you can even put like your Stanley cup or your large thermos if you had to. On the back here as well, there's also another pocket, but this pocket here actually has a zipper. So I would actually be more inclined to put like maybe my wallet or my cell phone in here than inside the open one. So that way it's more secure. It also has a little ring, so that way you can put anything else that has a ring shape on here just to carry it around. So that's really nice. Now with these walkers in general, you want to adjust this so that way you have a slight bend at the elbows, so that way you're not bending over too far or standing completely upright. That way if you do kind of lose your balance, you're able to catch yourself by having your arms bent. So to adjust the height of these, you're going to press this red button right here, and this will raise and lower the arms of the walker here. Same thing on this side. And they have numbers, so that way you easily know what side is what. So if I wanted this at 6 on this side, I can easily and quickly just drop it right to 6. And then we're even on both sides. You don't have to worry about being lopsided and not hitting the right button. So that makes this really easy. The handles that are here, they're firm, but they're soft, if that makes any sense. So that way, if you're gripping onto these really heavily, you're not really going to hurt or damage your hands. I feel that this is comfortable enough to where if I was putting my weight on here or a lot of my weight on here, it wouldn't really bother me. I would just be able to go along and use it. You have the wheels here that are on the bottom. So these wheels move really easily, even with this cellophane that's on here. So once I take this off, they're going to move even better. So with this here as well, you could also put a tennis ball on here too if you really wanted to. But once again, I would just stick with the skis, because these are going to allow you to have movement that's a little bit easier than if it was a solid peg or if it was a tennis ball as well. These will just kind of glide along the surface that you're on. If you're outdoors, you're going to notice that, you know, plastic on concrete, it's going to wear down. So once again, they give you that extra set of skis for a reason. So if you're on the go a lot of the times, this will help. But once again, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Usually walkers are pretty deep or pretty wide. This is about the normal width, and the depth of it is pretty nice. So if you had to go somewhere with a walker, I would definitely recommend this. This is, once again, very lightweight, very easy to collapse, put into a car. You've got ample storage right here in the front for your wallet, keys, papers, cell phone, and it glides super easy. I would highly recommend this walker.